Alright, peace and light. So all the coffee drinkers, imagine drinking a coffee, and when you're drinking a cup of coffee, in the same midst, you are drinking something that is very healthy. So now I have this on my shelf in my store on Etsy. Yes, and also locally here in Jamaica. You see, this is called what? Dandelion Coffee. I have 14 health benefits that I will be giving you shortly. First, for who don't know the dandelion bean, this is what it looks like. Right? Good. And when you shell it out of the pods, these are what makes the coffee. So just imagine the amount of work to let it come to this powder form here. Right, so you will be drinking a tea and you will be getting rid of all these ailments. So here, this amount is how much? This amount is what? 82 grams. Call it 80. I give you the 2 grams on it. So this on Etsy will be for 15 pounds. In Jamaica, I'll sell this for $2,000 because trust me, you don't know how powerful this coffee is. So health benefits. First, number one, it treats anemia. This will lift the iron content. I'm not talking about fabricated full iron. The real iron will be hitting your blood from this product. Number two, it fights canker, meaning it's what they call it, antioxidant. You know, it get rid of free radicals that cause the word that they don't want me to call. Number three, it aids in weight loss. You see, you're drinking those false Chinese tea all over the place, but you want to lose weight, you better drink something good that is here for you. Here I have it here. Number four, it cures all skin infection. Anybody with skin infection, eczema, shitting cloud, liver spot, dandelion coffee, my friend. Number five, it improves bone health. Dandelion coffee is high in magnesium, and without magnesium in the blood cannot absorb calcium carbonate, my friend. Next, number six, it keep urinary tract healthy. It keeps urinary tract healthy. So for the persons with bladder infection, come on, my baby, here is it. I'm here to give you a tea that will heal you. Number seven, it is antimicrobial, meaning it kills all tapeworms and other microbial worms that is in your body that needs to be removed, a natural dewormer. Number eight, it is antifungal. If you have any form of fungal disease, this also will help you. Dandelion tea is also number 9, germicidal, meaning it kills all disease causing agent. Can you ask for a better tea like this? Next, you have, it's a detoxifier, meaning it cleanses the blood. It also assists the liver with the cleansing of blood, the toxin in the blood. If you're a smoker and you have nicotine in your blood, here goes. Did you know that dandelion coffee also is a wart remover? A lot of people think that wart is genetical. No, my friend, wart is actually made from a virus. Anyway, if you know, you know. Number 12, it's a parasite cleaner. When this go inside the body, parasites does not like this food. When you're drinking this tea, you're naturally doing a deworming and not having a diarrhea. Number 13, it improves digestion. All the people who is having ulcer stomach, which is the same as the dilution of your hydrochloric acid within your stomach, because most time we are behaving not like the animals. The animals eat one time, then drink another time. We eat and drink together. So the dilution of your hydrochloric acid causes the malfunction of digestion. Can I say more? And last but not least, it's dandelion coffee what it does, it also is good for the kidney. It's a natural kidney cleanser. As I said, that is why it has not so much of a bitterish taste. So when you're doing this, it's a little. If I could take a spoon, let me see if I find a spoon here. If I should take a spoon, I would put just a little, like right here in the spoon. Just a little, because if you put too much, it will get bitter. So you put a little in the spoon like this, and you put it in your warm water, and you allow it to stay there. Stir it. If you use honey, whatever you use, yeah, and you're gone, you're head to go. So this package on Etsy will be £15, and in Jamaica, for my local people, of course they're not local, they're international. You are all international. It would be $2,000 based on the nature of the work. Again, if you don't know dandelion beans, here are they. Let me zoom them up. Right, the bean of the dandelion, it is what made the coffee. Remember, coffee is not good for you because coffee has caffeine in it, and what caffeine do? It suppresses the melatonin inside your head that is produced by the pineal gland. This is why so much persons are having insomnia, which is a sleeping disorder, because coffee let you stay up for the industrialized gig. They don't want you to sleep, they want you to work like the worker bee. You born, and as you born, you work until you die. We are the one who say, do not work too hard, but work smart, my friend. Yes, hard work and no play make Jane a dull girl. Peace and light. Hit me up. You will see the link below for the persons who want to shop online at my online store, Dandelion Coffee. Thank you for watching. Peace and light. I'm out.